Hello everyone, my name is Jackie. I'm a second-year nanotechnology engineering student at the University of Waterloo. I'm currently a test automation engineer at VueReal Inc., a company that focuses on making micro-LED displays. Today, I'm going to talk about some questions regarding what I do at work, how nanotechnology applies to my position, and also some questions regarding how I land my job and what is my future career goals. The first question is how my program relate to my position. I think the engineering fundamentals and the semiconductor knowledge I developed through my courses help me the most. I firstly want to share sort of like a misconception towards any program, where lots of people think nanotechnology students can only do nanotechnology related stuff. But actually, this is not true. I think what any program first do is to prepare students as a modern engineer. And the modern, I mean engineer that can use skills such as coding or use Elements tools such as SolidWorks or Console to solve problems much efficient and effective. The reason why I want to mention this is because around 50% of my work is to develop algorithms for either microscope automation or image analysis. And it's hard to say they relate to nanotechnology specifically. But if we took out the courses I previously did, we did Python fundamentals, we did MATLAB, we did algorithm implementation in MATLAB for physics simulation. And those experiences actually helped me understand how to systematically approach a problem and develop associated algorithms much quicker. Also, as a test automation engineer, the other half of my work is to test micro-LED displays. And actually, the NE program prepared me with a very good semiconductor fundamentals, which helped me understand those tests I do. So for example, the semiconductor physics give me the knowledge of what's a micro-LED structure, how to turn them on, and why they can light up. And also the wafer fabrication knowledge we pick up in the first year helped me understand how micro-LED is manufactured layer by layer. Those kind of understanding is very essential towards defect analysis, where when we look at things that are super small in some micron level, we have to actively go to the suspicious area based on our understanding and collect evidence in order to figure out where's the defect, what's the problem. So how I got my job, how I got my interview. I applied to VueReal, which is an internal job board specifically for University of Waterloo students. I have to say it was a tough time I was applying because of the pandemic. I was in China, and every time I have interview, it was always at midnight. I think the startup really appreciate hardworking and innovative people. Even actually, I didn't show any solid much on their job descriptions. Especially the coding part, I was still selected after the interview because they like my adaptability, they like my fast learning, and I think they think I'm a very good match for their dynamic team, basically. So, what's my future career goal? Working in chemistry digitalization, specifically for accelerating research and development. So the big picture is basically using AI to explore the chemical space to find the perfect molecules for the research purpose and synthesize using lab automation and do a series of tests automatically still using lab automation robots. If this system is established, it basically means fast, accurate, automatic, efficient for any kind of chemistry discovery. And we can use this system to empower any sort of material innovations. My current job is actually serving for this kind of future career goal where I'm working coding and automations, which is very related to the chemistry digitalization, right? And I hope my experience and my knowledge can help me enter some startups or professors groups such as Cubotics, OTI Robotics, and some AI drug discovery companies such as Infilico. I hope I can join them in the future. That's my career goal.